2729 Ram's Horn Drive in Fremont, Michigan. This horse farm sits on 23 acres and it is a 56,000 square foot Morton building on the outside and all custom wood on the inside. With 32 horse stalls and in-floor heat throughout, with 5 zones and an exhaust air exchange system. There are 2 arenas on the property. One is indoor riding arena, which is 100 by 300, and the other one is outdoor riding arena, that is 90 by 300. This property also features a farmhouse with 3 bedrooms, a ranch house with 3 bedrooms, and a beautiful lake with private frontage. In addition to everything else, there's this amazing apartment, large office, and lounge area that I'm standing in right now. This property is a beautiful horse facility, but it could also be used as a really nice wedding venue or a corporate reception venue. If you are interested in viewing this property, please contact me. I'm Ginger Baxter with Keller Williams North.